All right, here we go with worksheet 11C for the Math 4 course. And if you want to up your game as far as insults for your friends, there you go. Well, what is the square root of negative 16 but 4i? Now, he's calling him 4i's. All right. Yeah, there's humor in there somewhere. All right, so we are supposed to simplify these in terms of a plus bi in that order. Now, the square root of negative 5, all we can pull out of that is, well, helps if I turn my pen on. And so that's as far as we're going to get with him. Now this guy, and 63 can be viewed as 9 times 7. $32, well, that's going to be interesting. That can be viewed as 16 times 2. So that is going to be a negative 4i square root of 2 minus 2. Now, mind you, both the front term and the back term are negative. So, if I switch places because the I term is supposed to come second, well, you can't tell much because they were both negative to start with. Okay. All right, solve the equation. We're going to do that. We're going to do that. And remember, the square root was your idea, not theirs, which means that we get a plus or minus answer out of it. All right, now I want to get x by itself, which means I first get rid of the 8. Then I divide by 2. Square root of 4 is 2. So we're going to wind up with plus or minus 2i for an answer there. Well, this one looks like fun. I think I had meant, oh, that's right, when we subtract, that's going to become, I think I went the wrong direction with this. Yeah, that's going to become negative 70, and that's not what I wanted. What I wanted was for that to become negative 60, which means that that has to be 55. All right, so that when we do this, we have negative 60, which we divide by 3. We have that equals negative 20. Which we can split up into 4 and 5. And handle it that way. And let's clarify this again. All right. Sorry about that. I thought I caught that in my notes last year. Apparently I didn't. All right, and then the last set of adding and subtracting. That's right, this was much of the back page, wasn't it? All right, like terms together, the 3 and the 5 become 8, the 4i and the negative I become 3i. Negative 6 minus 1 becomes negative 7. Negative 9i minus 5i becomes minus 14i. Ten minus 3 becomes 7. Plus 6i minus negative I, that's like 6i plus I, creates a 7i. 3 plus 5 is 8. 4i minus I is 3i. And then down here, negative 6 minus 1 is negative 7. Negative 9i minus 5i is going to create negative 14i. 10 minus 3 is 7. 6i minus negative I is like 6i plus I, which is 7i. And I believe we are done with the worksheet.